I bet you're over 30, maybe over 40, maybe even over 50 like me, and you're wondering if it's even possible. And let's be honest, that's probably why you're here. When I started YouTube in my 40s, I had no clients, no sphere. I was new in town. I mean, I honestly had nothing to lose. What was YouTube going to do? Make me more invisible than I already was? I'm here to tell you, yes, it is so possible. You just have to know how to do it without totally falling on your face. What happened next surprised me, and I'm going to share what I learned so that you can see exactly what works and what doesn't, especially if you're not quite as young as we used to be anymore, right? So quick backstory, I had just moved for the second time in about a year and a half. I was in a new state. I had to get licensed in the new state. I had no business, no name recognition, nothing. I really had nothing to lose by trying YouTube, but I truly felt like I was starting over. I'd been in real estate for 10 years at this point, and I was just starting from scratch again. I really didn't know if anything would happen from putting these videos online, but I was willing to try. And what happened really surprised me. Now, I was not consistent in the beginning. I was very sporadic. In fact, let me show you some of these videos. This was one of the first ones that I posted. They were totally self-promotional. I was not on camera. It was all just a big commercial about me, and why don't you want to work with me? Some of the other ones that I made looked like this. It was literally a slideshow. It was a 4-minute long slideshow where I never put my face on camera because I was nervous about being on camera. Or what about the beautiful ones that look like this, where it starts with your little branding montage, and then I filmed it with my phone the wrong way, so it had the big black bars on either side. It was way too short. It was only about 1.5 minutes long. So basically, I was doing everything wrong. And after 18 months, I had not really gotten any traction on this channel at all. Have you ever felt like that? Have you felt like, I just don't want to invest the time and energy into doing something like this, and have 18 months go by where I don't get anything from it? Maybe you feel like I did, where you were concerned that people are going to judge your appearance and you don't want them to say mean things in the comments, or they're going to judge your lack of production values. Your videos are very simple, so you're worried they're going to criticize you because of it, because they're not super fancy and you didn't have some guy following you around with a $5,000 camera documenting your entire day. Here's what I can tell you. In all of the years that I've been doing this, not one person who has hired me to represent them in a transaction has ever commented on my age. Not one. And so that changed the entire way that I perceived this entire YouTube thing. If you want a clear guide to starting YouTube without all of the overthinking that I did, download my free guide, The First 10 Steps to a Lead Generating YouTube Channel. I'll leave the link down below. After 18 months of doing everything wrong and not getting anything from it, I finally got my first phone call from a prospect that wanted to hire me. Unfortunately, I had moved again, and now I was in a new city 5 hours away. But now that I knew that it worked, I got consistent. I started making more videos, and then suddenly I got magic emails like this. This was an email I received from Katie. She and her husband were stationed in South Korea, and I had been making a lot of videos for my channel for military families who were going to be PCSing to Savannah. And lo and behold, you get these kind of emails where they say, "We've enjoyed your videos more than anybody else's. We want you to be able to help us. We're already pre-approved. This is our timeline. Can you help us?" And that just turned out to be the best email ever, because Katie later became an agent on my team. After she bought her house, I ran into her at the grocery store and she said, "This was so cool. I'm going to get my real estate license." And she became an agent on my team. And then after I decided to disband the team, she became my digital content manager for my coaching business. So I've now known Katie for many, many, many years, probably 6 years at this point, at least. And it all started because somebody from all the way across the world trusted me because of a couple of videos that I put on my YouTube channel. I was at least 47 years old when I started making those videos, and she's quite a bit younger than I am, but that didn't stop her from reaching out to me. When I decided to let my hair grow out gray and stop coloring it, I was so worried. What are people going to say? I'm going to have the big skunk stripe as it grows out. You know what? Nobody said anything except one person who made a snarky comment, but everybody else said, "I love watching your hair go natural, and you've inspired me to do it too." And now so many of my real estate colleagues have awesome silver hair as well. And I love that this like started a trend. There have been times on my videos where I weighed 20 pounds less and 20 pounds more. There have been times when I had super short hair and super long hair and every variation of hair color there is. It did not prevent me from getting clients no matter what I looked like. That's not the reason why they're hiring you. They're not reaching out to you because you look amazing in a bikini. They are reaching out to you because you've given all of this wonderful information in YouTube videos. They get to know you, they like your personality, and they trust what you're telling them. It's not about what you look like. It's about how can you help them? And when they feel like you're really there to help them, they honestly don't really care what size pants you wear. Download the free guide if you want to get started a little bit faster than I did, so it doesn't take you 18 months too. And then if you're curious what a single video can do for your business, watch this video next. This video got me 178 leads.